last reaction we have to worry about when predicting products is our combustion reaction. So our combustion reaction is when a compound reacts with oxygen, so we're usually dealing with a hydrocarbon, which is hydrogen and carbon put together. So when a compound reacts with oxygen, producing energy and light with products of carbon dioxide and water. So whenever you're doing a combustion reaction, your products will always be carbon dioxide and water. That makes your predicting products a whole lot easier. So something that a lot of students get messed up on is being able to balance these reactions. So here's a little formula to help you get through it a little bit easier. So whatever your subscript for your hydrocarbon are, so CXHY, for your coefficient in front of your oxygen, it would be X plus Y divided by 4. Something you have to keep in mind though, if we have a number that is not divisible by 4, so Y needs to be divisible by 4. If we don't have that, we have to change the coefficient in front of our hydrocarbon so that that number is divisible by 4. So say if we had a 2 out here, we'd be doing 2x plus 2y divided by 4. Alright, so that's for oxygen. And then carbon dioxide would be our x, so if we have a coefficient out in front of our x, we have to make sure to multiply our coefficient by our x. And for water, we do y divided by 2 for our coefficient. Again, if you have a coefficient out in front of your hydrocarbon, you have to multiply y by the 2. So then you would get, for this instance, 2y divided by 2. So let's practice this. Alright, so our first one here, C8H18 plus oxygen. So we know our products are always going to be carbon dioxide and water. So I'm going to do it down here again, just to give us some more room. Alright, so is 18 divisible by 4? No, it's not. What can I multiply 18 by to get a number that's divisible by 4? If I multiply it by 2, I would get 36. 36 is divisible by 4. So now, in order to get the coefficient in front of our oxygen, I would do 18 times 2, which is 36, divided by 4 is 9. Then I would do 9 plus my x times my coefficient, so that's 16. That would give me 25. 25 is my coefficient in front of my oxygen. Now for carbon dioxide, I put my x value. So my x value here is 8 times 2, which is 16. And then water, it's y divided by 2. So that's 18 times 2, which is 36, divided by 2 is 18. You can try this next one. Hopefully this is the answer you got. If not, try to do your math again. Maybe you just made a simple math error. Look over it again, and if you still don't understand it, we can go over it in class tomorrow.